Good morning, students. This is the chapter number 1, Matter in Our Surroundings, question number of page number 6. First question is, the mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Okay, the mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. So, density is equal to mass per volume. Okay, so arrange the following in the order of increasing density. Here you have given the matters, you have to arrange it in increasing density. Okay, so answer is, the given substance in the increasing order of their densities can be represented as we know, density is proportional to mass. Okay, density is proportional to mass, so mass increases, density also increases. Okay, so here first of all we will see air. Air has low density because it is gas. Then exhaust from chimney, then cotton, then water, then honey, and then iron. So iron has more density, that's why it came in last. Understood? Because it is solid in form. Now the question number 2 is, first A is, tabulate the differences in the characteristics of state of matter, and second is B number 1. B is, comment upon the following: rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling a gas container, shape, kinetic energy, and density. So first one is, tabulate the differences in the characteristic of state of matter. So here you have to write the comparison of the characteristics of the three states of matter in table form. First one is first characteristics is shape. So solid has fixed shape, liquid has no fixed shape, gas no fixed shape. Number B is volume. So solid have fixed volume, liquid have no fixed volume, and gas have no fixed volume. Next is number 3 is rigidity or fluidity. Solid are rigid but cannot flow. Liquid can flow but not rigid. Okay, gas can flow and not rigid. Then the intermolecular force of attraction. Okay, in solid is maximum, liquid less than solid, and in gas very less. Okay, next, intermolecular space. In solid very less, liquid more than solid, and gas maximum and less than gas. Now the compressibility, in solid negligible, in liquid compressible, and gas highly compressible. I already taught you this characteristics of the different three states of matter. Now the question number B is, comment upon the following. So here is the answer, comment upon. First one is rigidity. Rigidity, I told you, the tendency of a substance to retain or maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Okay, when we are putting the outside force, applying the force, they retain or maintain their shape. Next one is compressibility. The matter has intermolecular space. The external force applied on the matter can bring this particle closer. This property is called compressibility. Okay, when we are putting the external force, we are applying the external force, so matter can bring these particles closer. This property is called the compressibility, and gases and liquid are compressible, I already told. Now third one is fluidity. What is the fluidity? The tendency of particle to flow is called fluidity. Liquids and gases can flow. Okay, filling of a gas container. So filling of a gas container, so gases have particles which vibrate randomly in all the direction. The gas can fill the container. So this is the property of the gas. Now the shape. Solids have maximum intermolecular force, and definite shape, whereas liquids and gases take the shape of container. Okay, kinetic energy, the energy possessed by particle due to their motion is called kinetic energy. I already make you understand. So molecules of gases vibrate randomly as they have maximum kinetic energy. Now the density, it is defined as mass per unit volume. The solids have highest density. Okay. Now the question number 3, give reasons. You have to give the reason. Question number A is, a gas fills completely the vessel in which it is kept. Answer is the particles, or we can say molecules. The particles of gas have high kinetic energy, due to which they keep moving in all directions and hence fill the vessel completely in which they are kept. That's why the gas fills completely the vessel. Okay. B number is, a gas exerts pressure on the wall of the container. Walls of the container. Answer is, a gas exerts pressure on the wall of the container because the molecules, or we can say particles of the gas, are in constant random motion due to high kinetic energy. Already I will make you understand, if we will put gas in the cylinder or any container, they are in random motion due to high kinetic energy. Okay, so these molecules, or we can say particles, constantly vibrate, move and hit the walls of the container, thereby exerting pressure on it. Okay. C number is, a wooden table should be called a solid. Why? Give the reason. Answer is, the particles of wooden table are tightly packed with each because it is solid. Other, there is no intermolecular space. They don't have intermolecular space between the particles. So it cannot be compressed, it cannot flow. All these characteristics are of solid. So wooden table should be called a solid. Okay. Number D is, we can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Okay. Answer is, we can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. It is because the particles of air has less force of attraction between them. Okay, because their particles are very far to each other, and a very small external force can separate them and pass through it. But in case of solid, the particles have maximum force of attraction. The particles are tightly bound due to this force. Hence, large amount of external force is required to pass through solid. Now, here is the last question, question number 4. Liquids generally have lower density as compared to solids, but you must have observed that ice floats on water. Find out why. Answer is, ice is a solid, but its density is lower than water due to its structure. The particles in ice make a cage-like structure with lot of vacant space. Vacant means khali, khali jagah. This makes ice float on water. Understood everybody? You have to learn this question answer. Thank you.